Welcome back. Well, it was a rough one across Acadiana this morning. Mother Nature delivering on the promise of the severe weather threat. Storms barreled on through pre-dawn through the early morning hours. Things much quieter as we move forward, but there's a lot of folks without power. Let's bring this over to the key wall and we'll show you what we have with respect to power outages. And in Acadiana, St. Landry leading the way with over 14,000 without power, residences without power as of 9 o'clock tonight, thanks to power outage. US. Acadia Parish, over 4,000. Jeff Davis, 1,500. Allen, 2,500. 1,100 in Evangeline Parish. And then you get it to Point Coupine. The Feliciana is 60% or better based on our graph down here on the bottom, still without power. So rough weather incident, and you can tell where the severe weather was, the western part of the state, and then from the southwest to the eastern part of the state, it was quite rough indeed. Now, that's not everybody. This does not include all the folks on different power grids, but nonetheless, you have the idea what went on. And it was all caused by this area of low pressure that is moving on out. As it moves out, we have a pretty good pressure gradient, so the wind's beginning to pick up. We're going to have cooler air move in, and the weather's going to be much better, thank you, as we move forward in the days ahead. Still strong to occasionally severe storms south of the Florida Panhandle, moving off to the east into the Gulf of Mexico. Meanwhile, here locally, it's quiet now, but let's back it up. This is 18 hours worth of Doppler radar data, and you can see how we had supercell thunderstorms that produced widespread winds, 50 to 60 mile an hour gusts. We had gusts to 48 officially at the airport in Lafayette and Acadiana Regional. And then on top of that, we saw 80 to 90 mile an hour downburst winds and isolated tornadoes as well. Things certainly have quieted down with the last vestiges of the rains now moving out into Mississippi. As for the damage reports, we showed this earlier, pretty much widespread from the I-10 corridor on northward and off to the east, and a few tornado reports now. Not all the wind damage reports are here. These are just preliminary, and the Weather Service tomorrow is going to go out and check out all the damage reports you saw here on KATC. They're going to go out and look at some of those spots, and we'll find out if we had any tornadic activity in St. Landry Parish. Certainly possible. Same goes for Acadia and Jeff Davis Parish. Just because it's not reported doesn't mean it didn't happen, and we can tell by the number of folks without power there were damaging winds across the area, and we feel for the folks that had trees down in their homes and their car, and folks that are without power tonight. But at least the weather forecast moving forward looking better. Rainfall, there is major flooding as we get into western Louisiana, eastern Texas. Better than a foot of rain from Vernon Parish on westward. It was about 4 to 7 as you went from northern portions of Acadiana up towards Senla. Most of us here in Acadiana, a solid 2 to 4 inches of rain officially out at the airport, just shy of 2 inches at the Lafayette Airport. But nonetheless, a good soaking, but we have nice dry air coming in. Some wraparound clouds perhaps through the overnight hours, and then as we head into tomorrow, just gorgeous weather. And then tomorrow night, temperatures dropping down into the upper 40s to lower 50s. Enjoy it, because there are not many of those left as we head closer to May. In the near term tonight, we're going to go 59 for your low. The wind's picking up out of the west to west-northwest, so it gets a little gusty out there, and you'll hear the wind chimes going. And then and you see those clouds kind of wrapping around off to our north, but they scour out first thing tomorrow morning. It's going to be a breezy, sunshiny day. It will be gusty, though, from the northwest at about 15 to 25. And moving forward, looks great. Perfect spring weather into the weekend. Then next week, warm and humid weather returns. But we don't see big rain chances anytime soon, with a few showers toward the end of next week and maybe into the following weekend. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.